As we had Tanner fucking kidnapped by these fucking dolls with glass head and this fucking Orochimaru fucking long ass snake ass looking neck. I think it do be about that time. I do be. Anyways, hello everybody, it's King Jogger and welcome back to Little Nightmares. Woo. So we have to kind of get by this one. And I'm gonna guess every time she pounds onto the chalkboard, we're gonna have to like stop. So like this. Oh, and she's gonna pound on it now. There you go. Be behind the desk. Wait for her to turn the page. And now book it. And we are now Gucci. And there is a key. Beautiful. We need that actually. Oh wait. Holy shit, you're a fucking freak, aren't you? If you haven't seen Naruto and you haven't noticed Orochimaru, that's what Orochimaru looks like, just an FYI. Well, he doesn't look like that, but same ass, long ass fucking neck ability. Thank you for the key. Anyways, she's probably got more sketchy. Oh, hi. You a rude motherfucker, aren't you? Okay. Jesus Christ, you do not need to be a fucking owl and turn your head fucking 90 degrees. Why are you leaning over him? You are one strike ass teacher, I'm just gonna tell you that now. I'm right under there, please do not break it. You did not see shit. You did not see anything. You did not hear anything. Ooh, wait a minute. Oh, Jesus. Wait, why did they attack me? There's no reason for them to fuck attack me. I did nothing to them. They just looked back. What the fuck, Chuck? Anyway, okay, so I'm real fucking close to the end. And she is real rag looking. You're gonna smack him, aren't you? You're gonna smack him. No? No? Oh, really fucking creepy looking. Damn! Okay. Good to know. Not fucking... Oh, shit. Holy shit! Can you do that real quick? Not let her get to me? I did it! She now knows I'm here. Okay, Tanner. Where the fuck are... What the fuck are you doing? And why you have a... I don't think... Okay, how far can you reach? Oh, Jesus! Okay, so he actually got my ass. Okay, I. You can have fun with that. Okay, come on. So you're as far as you can go with the fucking whatever it's called. One more try. One more try. Come on. One more. Come on. Okay, you can't do shit. Fuck you. Yeah, we all know you ain't gonna do shit or buckshot. Anyways, I'm gonna bring back Johnny. Come on! Give me Tanner. Oh, I already broken it up. Where's Tanner? Oh. What kind of hat is that? Is that like the... You're not the brightest one hat? Something? I don't know. What's that? What's the spanking sound? Okay. Oh. Oh, wait a minute. I forgot. Jesus fucking Christ. Can I pick this up? Thank you. I'm gonna leave that there. Actually not, we're gonna fuck with her. No. Come on, reach your head again. Come on. Jesus, I do not like those fucking sounds you are making. There's... Anyways. Oh shit! Alright, you have fun. It's here. There we go. Got it. Got it. Thank God this fucker's tied together. Who's having a cig break up here? Or a cigar, cigarette, a cig. Is this a hat? Or what is this? Oh, it's just... Oh, okay. Shit! Motherfucker! God damn it, I gotta do this shit all over again! Okay, wait a minute. We dandy. Having a beautiful time. And now, oh, I gotta push this fucker. Okay. And wait, what is she gotta do? What is she gotta do? Hi, how's it going? Oh, Jesus! Oh my God, did she actually fit her fucking head in that fucking gap? What the fuck? Okay, that is no fucking way. I'm fucking around way too much. Okay, wait a minute. Tip her over, call her good, have a wonderful time. Don't fuck around and see what she does because... Oh, Jesus. Thank God that was a fucking... Whatever it's called. There's a cushion there. Yes. Anyways, we should have not have fucked... Ma'am? I don't know where to go. There's so many books that's down here. There's no way in hell she doesn't hear this fucking shit. The rolling of the fucking whatever it's called. Of this ladder. Oh wait. I see something. It's a fucking hat. It's a tin hat. Okay. have a tin hat. Anyways, I had to get that. I kind of want the raccoon hat, but sadly I won't be able to get the raccoon hat. I got the tin hat instead, though. I'm happy with the tin hat. Oh, she's not first. Jesus, nope, 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 no eating. She's trying to eat me. She's trying to eat my. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. We got the power books. We got the. Come on. Oh my God, do I have to go around? No, no. Oh. I think she's watching me. Oh. No. No. Oh, Jesus! Okay, I didn't know. I'm gonna have to, like, maneuver my way around this fucking shit, ain't I? Yeah. I grabbed it. Got it. I'm all fucking fine, hunky dory, okay? Nope, you don't see shit. You don't see shit. I told you, see? You make some fucking evil ass fucking sounds. Just an FYI. Ooh, maybe I shouldn't wait. I should wait. There you go. Yeah, let's fucking go. I'm gonna wait. You go in the classroom? Shut the door. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Hey. So far. We're making it far. Um. Um. Can I have Tanner, Bill? Oh, but wait. Scrapey, 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 scrapey. I really had, but yeah, those are hitting your toes, aren't they? I bet that fucking hurts. Stubbing your toe every single time with a heavy ass bookshelf thingamajigger. Hello! Push the door, please. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. Hello, Mr. Library ma'am. Hello. Or to possess a demon, can you help me find my buddy Tanner? I don't know where he's at. You're kind of henchman for thingamajiggers. The cursed dolls kind of took him from me, and I kind of need him to be my buddy for the rest of the time being. Oh, wow. I didn't like that movement, and it was just fucking. It's supposed to go up there. Oh wait, then I can. No. No, put it back. No, put it back. Or it might. I'm gonna have to jump to it then. This is a fuck. No. Put it on. Keep it on. Keep. Question, why is that thing on, why is the head on the, why is the head on, here? Oh wait, I'm guessing it was actual. Oof, I'm gonna have to get, wait a minute. Alright, wait. I'm gonna need this fucker again. Thank you. No. And you. I can hop you. Hop you. Grab this. Not, I think the queen is here. That's easy. If he's the king, I'm guessing it's the king. That's the king. I'm gonna need like a fucking, and I need him for that. Does that make sense? Oh. Oh no, I'm not good. I'm okay with chess. Oh. Oh, I'm gonna need a queen. Hello, queen. Oh, thank you. I didn't know you're. Well, I mean, all the other heads pop up. So. Then I'm gonna take a guess, and this one's spade. So this one's go. Wait. King is parallel, is on the same board. Yeah. Okay, so then obviously this one goes to either this one or wait, no, it is this one. See? Right? I'm not good at checks, but I think no matter what, he's gotta be in there. In a checkmate. Checkmate. Unless we have to switch the heads around. Wait. Let's just go do. Wait. No. This one. Nothing's happening. I'm confused. And maybe I have to switch these. Maybe the kings have to beat each other. Flop the king there. Flop the queen here. Oh. I made a noise. I made a good time. And this is now. This is lighting up. Oh. We got to forward. We got progress. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Progress. We love progress. Adds up to the storyline. That do indeed. About there's. I want to know what's over here though. Hello, you got really freaky pictures. Ooh, what are you? You're the stack man. I just fucking break my ankles. Okay, trying to get to the stack man. Fuck me then. He is yoinked. Stack man is yoinked right next to the noose. He insert here. Click forward. That sounds horrifying. Sounds me no like. This reminds me of the twins. When a little bit, when I say a wee bit, I mean a lot. But hey, the twins actually gave me a bit of a hard time, to be honest. So I can't say they were trash. They were fucking amazing. Are like all the kids or all the little dolls thingamajiggers fucking... God damn it. Or like all of them at like a certain dinner table? I really fucking hope not. And like Tanner's in the middle of it. I would fucking cry. Whoa. I get a ladle. I get a ladle to destroy them. Anyways, I think it do be about that time though. I do be. So when we go up into the next episode, we're gonna be bashing your heads and taking names. Of course. Anyways, I think it do be about that time. Thank you everybody for watching. This has been King Draugr, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Bye bye.